Did you know there's a new way to apply sunscreen whereby it's quicker, doesn't leave your skin with a white cast, and ensure a better distribution of sunscreen throughout your entire face? Ladies and gentlemen, the new way is to start applying your sunscreen with your beauty blender. One of the downside of applying sunscreen, especially those that contains physical blockers like zinc oxide, is that it gives you that white cast or the white discoloration on your skin. Many people do not like this effect because it makes them look very pale. And most end up changing or throwing away their sunscreen. But what if I tell you, by using a beauty blender, you no longer need to discard your sunscreen, but instead you can use your favorite sunscreen on your skin on a daily basis, and on top of that, apply your sunscreen quicker by using a beauty blender. So in this particular video, I'm doing a split face test. On one side, I'm using a traditional finger method to apply my sunscreen, and on the other side, I'm using a beauty blender to apply my sunscreen. Early in the application, then you can already tell that I have issues blending the white cast into my skin by using the traditional finger method. However, by using a beauty blender, I could easily blend the white cast into my skin, and best of all, it's even quicker than using my fingers. Another downside of using your fingers to apply sunscreen is that based on the texture of your sunscreen, your fingers might end up either too greasy or have that white cast. However, you can avoid all that by using a beauty blender to apply your sunscreen. And the third of all, you can get to those hard to reach places. Whenever we apply sunscreen, we tend to always neglect the areas around the mouth, at the corners of our nose, and at the corners of the eyes. However, by using a beauty blender, you can actually use the tip of the beauty blender and ensure a more even distribution around all these hard to reach areas. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Switch over from the finger method to the beauty blender method.